Hey guys, so I decided to spend a week with my parents because you know it from the last video, I didn't saw them very long, since 1.5 years. Now it's just coming here to Codroipo in Friaulistad, and I will spend with them a week. Let's see how it is. I mean, my mom, my dad, you know, my mom is complaining, my dad is complaining, yeah, just spending a few times, good times with them, but it will be good. I want to show you a little bit here the house of my parents here. Let's start from the outside here. As you can see, here is the entry. Big trees here, palm outside. Very nice yard here. My father and my mom is always doing something here. That's good. That's age. They doing something here in the nature. It's good. Very nice green here, as you can see. Don't ask me what trees they are. I don't know that. That's very nice done. I know this one is our hortensia in Italian. I don't know. Same name. Then let's go inside and I'll show you the inside of the house. Let's walk here, the inside. Here the garage entry. My dad's stuff here. He's doing his things. Here's going the stairs, upstairs. It's my room here where I'm sleeping. There's taverna, and when you have guests, stuff like that, it's coming here. Now there's a mess here. Well, you know, next week is coming, my sister's with the children, and she's cleaning up, you know, doing space for the children's. Going up here. It's the main room. Room here, kitchen, just normal stuff, you know. Everywhere pictures from my sister and my Amy Lignano here. That's my little office here, dad's office. Want to buy today some an IKEA. I'm going today to the IKEA and buying new furniture here for the office, because I'm working from here and then it's absolutely not get to work sitting on that chair. Ciao nonna Carmelina. Nonna Carmelina.
Vieni a guardare il mio guardaroba.
Look, she want to show you all the stuff that she has. Wow, like a real lady, eh?
Qua io ho buttato via tutto e questo è tutta roba che io posso mettere.
She can wear everything.
Qua.
Look at that, all in line. Look at that. How in line are these dishes?
E qua
All
c'ho
has
tutti.
his place. Look at that.
Qua tutte giacche che sono tutte, Questa me l'ho comprata nuova, questa della Jocks, guarda com'è bella questa.
All in line. Oh mamma mia. Another bathroom here. And here, my sister's dark here. It's my sister's room somehow. She's sleeping always here. Yeah, cool. So basically that's Codroipo. Codroipo house. Nice, cozy, parents' house. Good to stay here. Show you a little bit of the week. Yeah. Cutting everything. Cool. Hey guys, so just want to go to IKEA today as well to a little bit extend the office space of my parents' house. We are here in the shopping mall. Of course, here is IKEA. And let me find out what the name is of this shopping mall. Come si chiama qua? Come si chiama qua?
Vilesse.
Ah yeah, shopping mall is Vilesse. I will post then the link then below then. I think it's one of the biggest shopping malls here in Friuli. Vilesse. Look how big that is. Everywhere stores, you know. All kinds of stores to be had here. Very cool. That house. Eating some food. Tagliata here.
Ecco poi.
Look at that. That's a nice house
Una
here.
domanda. Quella birra qui pressata a freddo.
Very
C'ha
delicious food.
quell'odore di muffa.
Ce l'ho
So
più.
we transformed the office yesterday. Look how nice it is. Just I need to move some stuff here. And your desk here. You can move it up. Very nice. It's coming up. Working. And a new board here. Very, very nice. A new chair here. Very fresh chair. Cool. Ready to work. Hey guys, driving now to PALMANOVA village. There's a big shopping center there that you have all clothes and yeah, seeing there and see what we can shop there. Donna Jean is driving, co-pilot Donna Carmelina going out. Cool, catch you in there. Hey guys, just arrived here at the village. That's the entry. A lot of parking space here. And here you can start your shopping tour. A lot of stores, very nice, very cool. Find everything here. Cool. That's somehow PALMANOVA village, an overview. Basically everything what your heart is desiring, you can find it here. Hey guys, I'm going now to the Mercato in Codroipo here with the bike of my dad. Yes. He bought me that one. Let's see how it goes. So basically here starts the market. So that means here Mercato is in Italy a popular thing, you know, that in every kind of city you have a kind of mercato that yeah, you can buy some stuff here, everything, you know, just closes to a lower price. People are selling here everything, you know, and yeah, just, and this as well, you know, you meet your people, you just go and have a coffee, an Aperol Spritz, you know, you can buy the latest stuff here for the daily use. You have fruits here, like everything, chaps here, all kind of manner, sunglasses, you know, everything is of course cheap, you know. I don't know from where they have it, that's another discussion, but anyway, just meet people here, you know. Very, very nice kind of stuff here. All the people just walking around. It's now a long time that people stayed at home, you know, and just 1.5 years, and now they all out here in Italy. Some construction going on here. Just for you, the garden, buy everything here. Socks, you can eat socks. Look at the nice socks. And of course here, everybody is having Prosecco. It's a church. Shoes, clothes, everything here, jeans, and here is the comune of Codroipo. Let me park here the bike of my dad. He told me several times, close the bike, they steal everything here. Okay, let's close it. So it's closed. It's here. So let's have a round here. So as you can see here, you have a lot of stuff to buy. All kinds of stuff for the house. You know, they used to be here in Italy. When you go to the mercato, that's once a week. You buy for the house something, for your garden, and then you have as well here some food. Look at that delicious food here. You can buy everything from cotoletta to fish, everything, you know, just delicious here. Just take it and bring it at home. Very nice. Look at the nice flowers here. Shoes everywhere, shoes everywhere. Shoes, clothes. And of course we have here the flag of Forza Udinese here. That's the local soccer team here. It's as well a national A team who is playing. Very cool.
No.
So basically they sell here and they give you some discount, so you can handle here the price. Say no, I want to pay only €5, $5 or 5 Swiss francs, you know, but you can handle here with the price, so you can yeah, say everything about the price here. There's wild food here. For babies, you know, for children, you have everything here. Underwear for women, for men. Look how many flowers they have here. Wow, very nice. And here is going as well. Same stuff, clothes, shoes, everything that you can buy there. Stepped into the other side of the Mercato. So we are back here. Same story on the other side of the Mercato. Clothes, socks, food. A little bit of shadow here, that's good. Fresh fish here. Restaurants here. You have the Aperol spritz, flowers everywhere. Fruits. And bags here. And here is the end of the Mercato. Now, as usual, let's have an Aperol spritz here. Going to the Bar Centrale to have one. Yeah, get you. I've just arrived in Udine Centro. Very nice. A lot of people here. Nonna Carmelina and Nonno Gino walking. Very nice city. We have everything as well here. Need to visit. I don't know where I am at the moment, but just walking and walking. By the way, everywhere shoes and clothes. They live for that. And there is somehow a piazza. Mamma, vieni te, andiamo al centro. Somehow a piazza here. I don't know what's the name here for piazza. Looks nice.
Sedia enorme, alta come questo
Ok.
coso qui. C'è la giacca, mi sembra che era piccola, proprio via. C'è un paio di fotografie da qualche parte.
Sì.
Quella sedia
Che era grande.
Ma andiamo a mangiare stuzzichini adesso.
Cosa vuoi mangiare?
Cosa vuoi? Look at that, how beautiful that is. Sei stanco?
Sono proprio non sono neanche un po'
Look how nice this piazza is here in Udine. Very nice. Siamo per di qua? Sì.
Trovato lo specchio della porta. Uscito di 1 metro alla sinistra, la porta di chiusa piccola.
Guarda. Guarda l'appartamento là sopra, che bello. Vedi? Alles 4K. E anche non ti accorgi che tu schwach oder so.
cucina bene anche il
Ja,
pane
ja.
si sa fare.
Mamma, c'è un friul romano là dentro, ti fa una amatriciana e una carbonara che tu te la sogni. Echt, lo ami, lo abbracci.
non c'era.
Non c'è. Hey guys, driving now to Lignano last time this week. Was with my parents 1 week now. Yeah, last half day at the beach. Doing some pics, some shots there, and yeah, cool. Look how nice it is outside here. Very, very nice. All nature. Everywhere prosecco and wine. Jumping in the water now. It's so hot now. You see, 31, 32 degrees, and boiling, just boiling. Incredible. We see if the water is a little bit fresh. I hope. Water is hot. Let's jump. Water is as well hot. But it's nice. It's cool. Look at the view here. Terrazza mare there. How much people? Back to normality. That's nice. Nice. Come back. Hey guys, so my dad is now driving me back to Venice, well back to the airport, not back, and yeah, badly. Coming back soon, I think in 2-3 weeks, something like that, I will come back. I'll let you show you the building, everything new here. Very nice, all new buildings. That means for me, if I see new builds, that means that the economy is working. That's a good sign. You can see the electricity, beach around the street. Restaurants are full. Very nice. This is the end from Lignano Sabbiadoro. The corner here then starts Pineta. Camping is as well here on that side. Very nice. We'll show a little bit in the airport of Venice. I don't know if I showed that you last time in that vlog, but I have some views on that side. Catch you then at the airport. Bye bye. Driving to Venice. My dad is driving. Donna Carmelina's co-pilot. It's a very nice street here. To drive there is very comfortable. At the moment, it's two ways, and they extend everything now. 3 columns, you know, and always getting bigger. The reason is that they have much more tourists here, much more people, and yeah, people exploring here Italy a lot on that side. The region of Friuli, Lignano, Udine, very nice cities there. Yeah, showing you a little bit here the way to the airport to Venice. Very green, everything here. Oh, nice. Okay. Hey guys, I'm ready for takeoff. I'm in the flight now. Waiting here for takeoff. The only issue is Italy is playing at 9 o'clock, I think. Playing at 9 o'clock. European final. Landing then in Zurich, then I'm already there at the gate in, going back to Sweden. Yeah, hope Italy wins today. Forza Italia. Catch you guys. Hey guys, arrived in Zurich. I'm watching the game here. 0-1 for England. Seeing now Amy. She's back as well from Calabria. She went to Florence. And I will see her at the baggage claim. Just found Amy at the baggage claim. She came back from Calabria. Very busy. Waiting here for baggage. There's a block in there. Somebody needs to push that around. Oh God. Calling somebody. L'aiuto? Hey, very comfortable here in Zurich. Just out of the airport. You can see her. And jumping in the train with my love. Amy's back for myself. I don't know if she's... Are you happy that you're back with me? Okay. Good. Ending here the vlog. And yeah, the week with my parents was amazing. Really amazing. We'll go back, I don't know when. But in the near future, next few weeks, we'll go back. My parents will come up as well here to Zurich, and yeah, catch you. Jumping here. Catch you in the next vlog. Bye bye guys.